Measure. At Prepped, we believe anyone can plan, design and install their own kitchen, and we're here to help you do it. The first thing you need to do is measure your kitchen space and some of the fixtures. So let's get going. Step 1. Download and print our kitchen planner grid to help you record your measurements accurately, or just use some gridded paper if you have some. Step 2. Start by measuring your wall. Record the top, middle and bottom of your wall and use the smallest measurement to ensure your new cabinets will fit. Measure wall to wall to get your overall space. Step 3. Record your ceiling height in all corners. Use the smallest measurement to ensure cabinets will fit vertically. Step 4. Choose a corner of the room and work around clockwise, recording horizontal and vertical distances of your door and window positions, including frames, as well as opening directions. Step 5. Record the positions of your electrical sockets, gas and plumbing fixtures, including any dedicated service voids, as well as obstacles that cannot be moved, such as radiators. That's it, you're all measured up. Watch our next video for useful guidance on how to start planning your kitchen layout.